Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Sade, and yes, I am looking a little insane right now because I have a full beat face and everything in my eyes are completely blank, but that is the purpose of this video. So first, before we get into this video, I do want to apologize for not being active the last 2 weeks and not posting. I've just been kind of like, you know, going through some stuff and just trying to take some time to myself the last 2 weeks and just enjoying life and everything that I have at this moment. So that's that. But I'm very excited to get into this video because my baby, I love her to death. She is so sweet, and I have been saying I wanted a Huda Beauty palette for the longest. I've always wanted one, but I could never talk myself into buying it because them bitches is fucking $65. Like $65. A bitch ain't got money like that to just put $65 out on an eyeshadow palette. So I went and like, I always send her stuff on Instagram. I'm like, oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. And she decided to buy it for me. And y'all, I'm like so obsessed. Like, I've literally kept the entire packaging because I don't want to leave. Like, I had this on the inside. Like, isn't that freaking cute? So cute. And then here is the actual palette itself. I am so excited. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. This is gonna be like a review slash a tutorial on playing with the Nudes palette, or just Nude, the Nude palette. And yeah, so if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to like and subscribe, you know, join the family or whatnot. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, I have no idea what I want to do, but firstly, let's talk about this freaking packaging. Like, this is stunning. This is so pretty, so freaking cute. Like, bitch, I'm taking notes for my future one day, you know, makeup company, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is so freaking cute, and it has a huge mirror. Like, it's literally huge. But yeah, literally a huge mirror, and these eyeshadows are freaking insane. So I pretty much have no idea what I want to go for today's look, so I'm just gonna be kind of going with the flow and making it up as I go. I want to play with as many colors as I possibly can, so that's what we're gonna do. So the first shade I'm gonna dip into is Teddy. Okay, so it's a little more like a lot of fallout. Can y'all see that? And I just barely like dip my brush in. I mean, okay. And by the way, this is my e.l.f. blending brush, and I did already prime my eyes. I've been trying to go back into priming my eyes with the actual eyeshadow primer, and I've actually been really liking it. The one I used today was a 24-hour Smashbox primer, which I do like that one. Like, it's perfect amount of stickiness, and it really does have your eyeshadows pops. So for my highlight, because I really like, I just noticed it on camera, like this shit is like booming, like like it's out there. So I use the Wet n Wild highlighting gold bar, which is this limited edition. If y'all can see that, there you go. Yeah, super cute. I mean, it was only $4, so y'all better go cop that real quick. So I really like this shade, and like it's like super soft, and I'm like, I don't know, I'm in love. I like it a lot. Now the one thing I will say is that it did have kind of like a little bit of like kickback on the pan, but I mean, that don't really faze me so much. But I mean, if you have a problem with that, then maybe you won't like this palette. I mean, but that was only one shade, so I don't know if the rest of the shades are gonna be like that, but we shall see. So on that same blending brush, I am going to go in with Tickle and just pop that in the crease as well. Ooh, this is a pretty shade. Like, I don't have any palettes like this one, which is good because I started seeing a trend that most of my eyeshadow palettes that I have or that I keep buying, they all kind of have the same kind of tune, which I just ordered some more makeup and it's kind of some of the same as what I already have, but YOLO, it's okay, it's fine. And one thing that I'm also noticing is that these shadows blend so easily and so seamlessly, like with the other shades. Like, it's not difficult to work with at all, and I'm not really having to put much effort into like blending it. Okay, next I am gonna go in with Spanked on this Luxie 227T brush. Ooh. So okay, I think it's safe to say that pretty much all the mattes have a lot of kickback on the pan. Like I said, I'm okay with it. I don't really care, but if you have a problem with that and don't like it, then maybe you won't like this palette. Ooh, we're gonna take that on the outer edge. Like, I'm telling you, I'm just like getting re-amazed about this eyeshadow palette. And this is the first time me playing, like actually playing with it. I did swatch it as soon as I got it because I couldn't help myself. But yeah, no, this is my first time actually like putting it on my eyeballs, which you don't understand how hard it was to not put it on my eyes as soon as I got it. I was like, no, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna do it in a video for you guys, so you're welcome. Like, that just freaking blended so pretty. Like, oh, I can't. My dog is in the background. And when she's in a deep sleep, she'll start like barking, like almost like if she's talking in her sleep. So if you hear that at all, it's my dog in the background. I should show y'all what she looks like right now. All right, back to what we were doing. As soon as I tried to start recording her, she stopped like barking in a sense. Like, I barely did anything and this looks so freaking pretty. Like, I'm at a loss for words at this very moment. So what I'm also gonna do, so right now I'm gonna take a flat brush, which is the Alamar brush. It doesn't have a name, it's just a flat brush, and I'm gonna take Spanked and apply that on my lower lash line. Oh, I am loving this so freaking much. Like, okay. And one thing that I did notice is that I pretty much have no fallout, like zero fallout, like throughout this whole process. Like, I totally forgot fallout was a thing because I have none whatsoever. So that's another plus. Okay, so to deepen this up just a smidget, just a little hair, just because I'm trying to use as many colors as possible, I'm going to take this small blending brush and I'm going to take the shade Love Bite, dust off any excess, and just pop that on this outer V. I'm going to put that on the top of the crease too, just like that whole outer V, just to give it a little bit more depth. I'm just going to put a hair of Love Bite on the top part of that lower lash line. So now for some more fun stuff. So I'm going to test out the concealer inside the palette, and I'm just taking a flat concealer brush. I'm just trying to get some, and I'm just going to do a little baby cut crease, like a half cut crease. All right, so the one thing I will say about the concealer, as you can see, like, it completely like eliminated everything out, but also it comes off as like a white, which is very good, only because of the fact that like it'll basically eliminate all the color of any shadow that's underneath, and it's like a very thick consistency that I know it's gonna like grasp any like glitter or the pigments that you put on top of it very well. I'm like debating, I don't know what to do. Like, I kind of want to put like the white shade on top and call it a day, but then I want to play with one of the shimmers. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take this Morphe 213 brush, little flat brush, and I am gonna take Daydream. I'm probably gonna play with like most of them. I'm gonna take Daydream and I'm gonna put that, oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna put that on like this kind of outer part of the part that we cut, you know, part of the little baby cut crease, and just put that on. I wonder if it works better with your finger. But yeah, it comes off a lot better if you use your finger. So I guess good thing I don't have nails, because this would be very difficult. Alright, next I am gonna take Crave and put that on the inner part. This already looks so pretty on its own, but I'm extra and I really want to play with another shimmer. So I think I'm gonna take, wait, which one's darker? Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is just take a smidget, just a hair of Charmed, and put that on this outer part to mix Daydream and Love Bite together. Y'all, there. So I'm just gonna blend that out with my blending brush. Make sure it's very clean. Y'all, this is stunning. Like, honestly, I'm lost for words. So I'm also gonna take Crave on my small brush and apply that in that brow bone. Oh. All right, and I'm gonna add lashes and mascara, and I will be right back with my final thoughts. All right, and this is the final look. I am super in love with this look. Like, I am just totally impressed on how everything turned out. Shoot, I freaking surprised myself. Like, I mean, it's nothing like extravagant on like difficult level or nothing like that, but I'm super in love with this look. I'm just so happy that my baby, you know, got me the palette, because I've always wanted one of their palettes, like always. And yeah, I give this palette a double thumbs up because it is freaking amazing. It's beautiful. Everything works like a dream. There is a little bit of kickback on the pan with some of the matte shades, but other than that, everything else works completely and 100% beautifully. Even the mattes, they all work very nicely. They blend beautifully together. They just like, it's like freaking butter, you know what I'm saying? And the shimmers, probably my best and my favorite part of the entire palette, because, you know, I love glitter, I love shimmer, I love everything that just sparkles, you know what I'm saying? So I just am in love and obsessed with this palette. And if you're looking on if you should splurge or whatnot on this palette, I will tell you right now, you should most definitely splurge on one of these palettes. And now, it's probably bad, I'm probably gonna want to buy the other palettes, the other two palettes, but hey, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So make sure to get that palette if you are interested in it. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the palette, if you guys already have it, and what looks that you guys want me to do. Also, any video suggestions that you guys want me to do, if you want me to do more makeup and tutorial, more reviews, some hair videos, like switching up my content, like let me know, and I will, you know, listen, read, and all that kind of stuff. But thank you guys for watching. Also, don't forget to add me on all of my social medias, and also like this video if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.